All right, guys, the video you've been waiting for. If you're anything like me, you love BoyWithUke, and you're like, man, I really want to make some songs like him. Well, you've come to the right place. I've got a uke, I've got my iPad, I've got GarageBand, I got my high quality HD microphone headphone set. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need, and then we're gonna get to trying to make our own BoyWithUke song. This is how you make a BoyWithUke song. All right, so a few things you'll need, obviously. A ukulele, a boy with what? Uke, okay. Then you'll need an iPad, either your iPad or your iPhone or a MacBook, and then you're gonna want, oh my word, what is that? Chameleon Boy, that's my song that came out? Oh, okay, let's just forget that popped up. Oh, don't look at my password. The second thing you're gonna want is this. This is what he uses, and it's pretty easy to use. GarageBand, boom, open that up, get that ready. And then of course, you're gonna want these. This is your high quality HD definition microphone and your studio quality headphones. Perfect for creating a nice little bedroom pop, your BoyWithUke song. Hey, since you guys are watching this, why don't you scroll down a little bit and hit subscribe and make sure that we keep this chart going up and make the views come more from the subscribers. I keep making tutorials, and I'm gonna keep on making tutorials, and I'm also making my own music. You can check me out on Spotify. The link is always in the description. But yeah, let's get to trying to make a BoyWithUke song. All right, so we have all our stuff set up, but now you're like, where do we start? Every BoyWithUke song seems to have just 4 pretty simple chords and then maybe 2 different strumming patterns. Sometimes it's just 1. But I think I'm gonna go with 2, try to mix the song up. And what I figured out is he usually does like a slow strumming pattern and then pauses and then adds the beat with a quicker one. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do that, but we need to figure out what chords we wanna play in what order. But I think I'm gonna try to keep it simple, so maybe yeah, let's do that. All right, we're good. We're gonna do this together. So this is G, then we're doing D. I think this is D, either D or, yeah, no, this is D minor. Yeah, we're gonna do G, D, A minor, and C. And I kind of like this little, like, claw strum thing that we're gonna do. So that's gonna be the start, and we're gonna start slow like that. Maybe the last one will stop like that. And then once the beat goes in, we'll be like, Every BoyWithUke song seems to have a nice premise of each of his songs. Love, heartbreak, nobody understands me, kind of stuff with like that. The baby thinks it's funny. So, you know what? We're gonna try to do something about love and not wanting somebody to leave or something like that. Kind of keep it sad. I feel like a lot of BoyWithUke songs are kind of like that. So let's try and figure out some lyrics here. Let me open up this random app I have to write down stuff. Okay, so I got something going. Look at my eyebrows. I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. I might change this depending on how the sound sounds with all the stuff in GarageBand because I haven't recorded it yet. I figured I'd try lyrics first and then maybe we'll change them up, but this is kind of what I got right now. Leaving the windows open at night, let the breeze seep in with the moonlight. That's right, rhyming. As I lay here staring at the ceiling, I imagine you sneaking through the window this time. And then the chorus is gonna be kind of sad, melancholic. Melancholy. Tell me you won't leave, say you wanna be with me. I won't let you go, I won't let you go. Which is actually said in a different song. Whoa, I won't let you go. So, yeah. Let's try and do that. All right, so I could record my screen, but I'd rather show you guys what I'm doing here. As you can see, I've tried to make some songs. Got Chameleon Boy right there. This one's coming out soon. This one's awesome. what you want to do is hit this plus sign, boom, and we're just gonna go to fun, but we'll just do this clean sound, and then we'll figure out all the fun stuff that BoyWithUke does, and I'll show you guys all the things he does. But first, we're gonna try to record our ukulele parts. Make sure this tempo, 110, that's pretty good. C major, C major. We gotta figure out what key our song is in, so let's do that real quick.
Name key, there we go. So we got G, we got D, we have A minor, and we have C, right? Yeah.
So the key is G or E minor. Fun. So go back to here, change the key to G. Boom, we're in. Well, let's get to recording this a little bit. All right, so you wanna make sure you got your high quality headphone, microphone plugged in, and then we're gonna try to just go for it. Why not? Yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay, we got the slow part recorded, so let's go ahead and try to record the quicker part once the beat comes. I'm gonna go ahead and add another microphone just so I can keep these separate. That way it's easier to edit. All right, that sounds good. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like here and show you what we're working with. All right, so we have the slow part on the top and then we have the quicker part on the bottom. But what we're gonna do is probably play through the slow part for a couple verses and then end with one strum and then add the beat and then go to the quick part. But I just had these two recorded and then I can edit and move stuff around. And then the quick one. Boom. Perfect. Now, the most important part is the beat. So we want to go to boom, some drums. What I like to do, I usually do the 808 flex. Let's see if we can find a better one than that. Let's see above and beyond. No. How about lo-fi? All right, let's do a simple kind of beat like that. I feel like that's usually what he goes for. Cool. Just gotta edit this and make this sound a little more epic. And then, yeah. All right, so the best thing I found to do for lyrics is come into your little closet studio and plug in, hold on. Plug in your high definition microphone and then just freaking go for it. So I'm gonna show you guys, BoyWithUke usually has like his normal voice and then he usually has like a low one under it and then a high one with it. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys what he does, okay? So what I figured out is I'm pretty sure for the main one, he just does clean, right? And that could be, I think this is for the low voice, right? And then what we're gonna do is add another microphone. And this one, we're gonna go to vocals. And then we're gonna have an extra singer, which this is the one that he sings normal with. And then it brings a high voice along with it. So we're gonna try those and then we're gonna see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to record the lyrics and then put this song together. And we're gonna see if we made a BoyWithUke song. Tell me you won't leave. Say you want to be with me. Tell me you won't leave. Say you want to be with me. All right, I think we made a little Boy with Uke song, so I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you guys. And yeah, this is the final of half a song. But yeah, this is pretty much how you make the Boy with Uke song. Leaving the window open at night, letting the breeze seep in with the moonlight. As I lay here staring at the ceiling, I imagine you sneaking through the window this time. Tell me you won't leave. Say you want to be with me. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. Well, I hope that helped you guys figure out how you can make a song sound like a Boy with Uke song. Let me know if you want me to try a different one, maybe different lyrics, different chords or anything. And tell me how close you thought it sounded to a Boy with Uke song. Obviously, besides my voice, because I don't sound like him. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped. So see you guys in the next one.